You guys excited? I'm excited. I can't play this. It's copyright, but that's okay because I can play this because this isn't copyright, which is so exciting. Okay, we have 3-day trades. I'm gonna try to only use 2 of them. If I can hold myself back. I kind of moved this for an interview. I kind of like it there, but we'll see how it works. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Today is the day. I hope you guys are pumped. Everything is good. Yeah. I think I need to turn my mic up a little bit because it was kind of quiet. So I'm going to turn up to like -30, -20, -22. I'm going to see how that works. I'm going to do like -2.3. -2.2 is good. And so we'll see how that works. Hopefully it works out well. I need to get screeners up. Also, I just had this interview with Carter, and I just realized how much I freaking need to get trade ideas. So that's on the top of my list of things to set up as soon as we get that international brokerage account, which was supposed to be this weekend. So hopefully I'll get my bank statement this weekend. I'll figure out a way to get it, hopefully. Because I really, because I can get both those together, dude. If you get no day trade, no PDT rule, and you get trade ideas, like oh my god, it's like gold. It's so good. I wish there was like, I mean, eventually there'll be a platform that puts everything together because I'm free to make it. But you know, you gotta get there, right? So anyway, with that said, I really want to trade shop puts. I think they're gonna go down to like 440. I think we can make a 5x return on a 447 put. If they broke below VWAP, so I'm gonna put shop over here. We're buying end of week expiration dates on today's day, which is the 17th. Also, this stock is going up a whole bunch, so let's see what they do. See, I'm telling you guys, we traded this yesterday and we got it stopped out like here, but it looks like it was the right trade to get out of because holy crap, that went down a lot. So you always kind of have to have a stop loss. Cannot hold, dude. If you hold that shit and you're like, oh, it's gonna come back up, you know, it's gonna come back up, it's gonna come back up, it's gonna come back, it just doesn't happen, man. So good short though, like this is a pretty solid consolidation phase, and this is a bear flag. You kind of short right here at support level, and you can make, you know, 20-30%, 30 cents on a $2 stock, so pretty good. But you know, it's you just gotta make sure, you know, you kind of are careful because it can be dangerous, you know, especially if you hold that crap past like noon. You know, it's kind of insane. Look, like I really have to start trading for today because I got in 5 minutes late, but like you can see there's like no upside if you keep holding it. It just goes down and down and down and down. So also a good reason to buy puts, which is kind of exciting. I remember I was doing puts on ADAP, and those have kind of just gone ADAP. I bought them sort of right here at 4 or 5 at 5, and so they've just kind of gone sideways. So sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. It's kind of an interesting little thing there. I'm gonna put shop up. I'm gonna prep order grids for the 17 puts, and then I'm gonna go over here, and we're gonna actually figure out what we're doing here. Oh no, I did it again! Ah! Shit. I gotta go. I keep freaking doing that too. I don't even know why. Oh well. TL already. Alright. Looks great. And not much else, I don't think. Let's see. IMBI looks like the big one. Everything else is super expensive, so maybe BE, but I don't see too much potential in BE. So yeah, filtering by volume is So some of you guys know this, some of you guys don't. I have like $15 calls on Snapchat. They just probably went up about 40 or 60%. They're up 130% so far. That's really good. That's a couple $100. That's pretty dope. All right. Cool. Alright, I think that's gonna be it. I wonder what the news is on these, because I don't know. Let's go. IMBI. Thought we lost everything, just starting our memory. Oh, dude, they just partnered with Shaquille O'Neal for some shopping website thing. That's pretty dope. They're a $30 million company. I think Shaquille O'Neal's worth $30 million. Let's see. Shaq net worth. Oh, I gotta show you guys this picture. Oh my god, it's so fun. 400 million. Okay, so, you know, you're in 60 million a year. I remember one time, I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh, it's totally gonna work. Yeah, so you can see this is my brother. I got cropped out of the picture. This is my shadow trying to walk into the picture with my brother who's at the Super Bowl with Shaq. And he's like twice the height of my brother. It's one of the funniest pictures I have. I think it's pretty funny. I'm set. Oh, I don't know. Google Photos is supposed to be cool. How do I add people? Create new person. No, he's already a person. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, it's pretty tall. It's kind of fun. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Let's make it happen. I like IMBI. Sail apart. Just lost in our memory. See, this is good shit right here. This is where they IPO'd. Usually, if they IPO and they drop really, really quickly, that's a really, really, really good price level. It looks like these guys were public for like a year, and then they got unlisted, and then they went public, and they got unlisted. This is really, really, really good support resistance level right here, and right here. These are really powerful levels. They're from about a decade ago, and they're still gonna hold strong today. That's a really, really powerful support resistance level. Especially like old stuff, like, oh, that's so good. I can't even like put it in words. It's phenomenal. They're at 5, so if they break 690, which is if they break $7, they'll probably go to about 1150, which is about a 30 or 40% gain, which is pretty freaking good.
Let the sun go down. We ain't gotta sleep.
You can also kind of see the bottom of a green-red reversal here, and then a breakdown after that is a pretty good level.
We're sailing towards the ending.
But I don't know if it's gonna go for $20. Might go $20. That'd be kind of dope. Let the sun go round. You have about 3 really good price levels right here, so should work out well. Yeah, because you're gonna have like 6-4. I think it's a breakout point. 7's gonna be the first resistance. Right now it's a 5 down here, so it's just gotta break, you know, a couple of these little tiny levels, and it should be fine. If you look at it a little more conservatively on the daily, or on the daily chart, you can kind of take like the amount that it's gone up, which is like basically, you know, $1.50, and just add that up top. So, you know, I would like to see these guys probably sell half at 6.4. I've only got 3 minutes, so I'm gonna shut up for a second and just do TLRD because it's kind of important that that works out well. So let me get some resistance lines. What are they at? They're at 5. So do 100 shares for both. There at the end. Let the sun come out. I like this level at $8 is really good. Probably the highest it'll go is 10. And then that's about that. 2.5 minutes. Alright. If you see a green, red, green like this, you kind of put a resistance level where the peak and the, I don't know. Honestly, I think that's a pretty solid level. We'll see how it works out. It's a lot short term, but could work out well. We'll see. Saving up some donuts for cheat day, and all I can smell right now are those donuts, and oh my god, they smell so delicious, but not until tomorrow. Alright, well I thought that was going to take a lot longer than it did. It took like 10 seconds. So I guess we check the news. This is great. This is super good news, so. TLRD. Oh, these guys are big, aren't they? I think these guys are big. Because this company, IMBI, their market cap, or their float's only 7 million shares. And like we said earlier, about 1.5 million of those shares have been traded pre-market, which is really, 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 really good. Yeah, this is really great. You can also look at the short ratio. Anything above 2.5 or 3, I mean, is really, 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 really good. Because you can see, as soon as it gets higher than 2.5 or 3, that's when you're probably going to start to see if the stock goes up to 64%, you're going to have a short squeeze. Yeah, you're going to have a freaking great short squeeze. There's going to be a lot of people that are short. They get stopped out of their positions this morning, and that's gonna squeeze up the price. It looks like these guys are selling part of their company or something, but I think the most important thing here is their float. They got a lot bigger float, a lot bigger market cap, so probably the focus is on IMBI. We'll come back, see what happens. Give it 100 here, 100 here. And yeah. Oh! Let's make it happen. Alright, great. It's already above VWAP. It's a strong morning. No, wait till we see a setup. Oh, this would be so nice if it closed below this for 5 minutes, consolidated, and then broke out. That'd be like the dopest thing. Oh, we'll see what happens. Let's see, we got first candles done, which is really great. And we're gonna know what's going on. This looks good. We're gonna give this 3 minutes. This looks good. It's gotta hit 490. Oh, perfect SNCA. These guys, see how big these market caps are? That's insane. I like IMBI. Bam, there we go. See, that's what you're looking for. Still not like an actual setup, but that's a really good hammer candle. So I think what we'll do here is we'll get in here on the VWAP crossover. Just gotta close above VWAP. Stop loss is at 510 straight here. And yeah, so we'll see what happens. We got 30 seconds for this to close. As long as it closes green, should be solid. Stop loss 510. Yeah, stop loss 510. 507 if you're like conservative or aggressive. What you want to see here is 2 consecutive green candles. And kind of, oh, I don't want to see a red candle. I gotta see 2 consecutive green candles. Let's see. I put bids in at like 514. Ooh, I don't want to get edged out. I'm gonna increment the stops. Oh, don't do that. I tried to sell at 546. Don't you do that. See what it does.
We've been planning a getaway.
Damn, this is a crazy stock. That is some crazy range. I like SNCA, just broke over VWAP. It's $1.66, entries at like $1.70. It's got tight bands. I don't know if this is going anywhere. But I will wait and see. See what would be dope if they did like a green right here, and then it went to 6.4. That would be super cool. So we'll see if they can do it. They've got 20 seconds. Oh, I guess they didn't do it. That sucks. Oh well. Yeah, I mean the only reason you get into a position like that without a like really solid setup, it's just because like these are the only guys today that are like really up that much. So yeah. So we'll watch out for some other stuff, but unless I see anything super crazy, I think we'll probably puts on these guys like 11:30 and probably double that. Good. my face. Because this is really bad. Like, this is the inverted hammer candle over the V-lap, and then crash below the V-lap. Yeah. But, you got upside here, right? So the upside here, you know, is 60 cents. And the downside is, at 12. So like that's, you know, that's a solid trade. You just have to get in and see what happens. Unfortunately, usually you have a downward wedge like this. Downward wedge will have it spike up, but it didn't happen on this trade. Obviously, Shaquille O'Neal was not good enough news for the investors. They were not happy enough, apparently. On the other hand, I think these guys are going to go to about 461 today, which is going to be insane. And then they're going to crash all the way down to 446. And it's going to be amazing. And everyone's going to make so much money. So, yeah, I don't know. I got to wait a couple hours for that trade. That's like an 11 o'clock, 11:30 trade. Ooh, because you want it to get as high as possible before noon and then short it and then, yeah. Alright, well, frankly, I don't have anything else to trade. What's cool is, like, you'll have more trades that pop up at, like, 9:45, 10, 10:30. But I only have, like, one more day trade, so even if those trades do pop up, like, I want to use that one more day trade on, I'm buying puts on shop on the downtrend reversal, crossing VWAP at about, you know, 11:30 to 3 or 3:30. So, I don't want to, like, use it on anything else. And frankly, like, I don't think any of these companies are going to be as you know, good of a potential stock than IMBI. And IMBI, I mean, it didn't even do anything, so. Unfortunately, I don't have much hope for these stocks. So, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll come back in 2 hours. And we'll see what happens. We'll go do some physics homework. You guys like physics homework? You can do it with me if you want. But in all reality, I mean, if this stock goes up, I will be so impressed. A little bit upset, but mostly impressed. Because this is a tight trading range, so you already know that, like, you know. If you are more conservative and you're smarter than me, which I'm sure you guys are, you could buy this if it makes a new high at 569, like, that would probably be like the opportune time to buy. I got in early because I'm greedy, and also because being greedy is good, but mostly because it crossed over VWAP, closed above VWAP, and had inverted hammer candle. And 90% of the time, those are good enough setups without having some sort of ABCD setup, which this is the Baker ABCD setup right here. But it was not enough today, unfortunately. And what I mean by this trade is it's a pretty simple trade, but it was I guess a more complicated one than the one I was doing. You do A here, and then you got a B, and then C goes like this. And as soon as this thing hits a new high right here, you're looking at basically the height right here, and then you just kind of do some finger math and you can add it to the top, and you're looking at about 664, 640 conservatively as your target, as the D in setup. So yeah, I mean, you know, you buy at 550, 569, 570. You should make about 10% on that trade, which is about 5 times what we risk, 6 times what we risk, give or take, which is what makes it a solid setup. I was just getting in early. If it worked out, it wouldn't have done this. So because it went back below VWAP, I don't know if it'll do it or not. But luckily for you, I will be back in an hour and a half, and you will know the answer to your I don't know, massive question. But I don't trade stocks to lose money on more than once, so I'm not trading this guy, at least for the same day. So with that said, I'm from Pump. I will see you guys at 11:30 or whenever Shopify goes up a whole bunch. Because that's really the only thing left. If they go up a whole bunch, they gotta do something. They can't just go sideways. So, all right, sweet. See you guys in a sec.